Ukrainian troops caught Russian troops in Donetsk by surprise. These attacks occur repeatedly over a long period. The heaviest attack was west of Artyomovsk. SAM TRM-M1 attempted to intercept an attack by Ukrainian soldiers. Russia also deployed UR-77 METEORITE to a forest hideout where Ukrainian forces were holding out. The Russian military prepares for a major assault on Kherson by sending in T-55AM tanks. Russia is getting more ambitious after being conquered a few days ago. Russian fighter jets continued to destroy the warehouse where heavy logistical aid is stored for NATO in Artyomovsk. Russian mercenaries from Wagner's PMC group, assisted by the Russian Air Force, reported that they had defeated Ukrainian nationalists in the Kremenskoye forest. T-80BD Donetsk tanks continued to occupy Ukrainian positions. Russia continues to supply battle logistics needs to the war front.